Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really interesting way to color your paintings. So this is a piece that I did for the Draw This in Your Style challenge by Lord Grizz on Instagram. This is like a tonal variation of that. I'm going to show you it as if I was going to do it in full color. So let's color it! This is a tonal painting that I did for the Draw This in Your Style challenge. However, if we add this layer on top, it's suddenly super colorful. And I'm going to show you what this looks like if it was not a color layer, if it was just a normal layer. It's so ugly. It is so ugly, but it doesn't need to be pretty because it just goes on top of that layer. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in different types of layers. That one doesn't look too bad. That's the hue. How does the hue compare to the color? Okay. So, I mean, sometimes switching back and forth is nice. What I like more about the color is the saturation maintains the rendering. So I'm going to go with color. But let's look at the other ones. So that one's not too bad. Let's zoom out a bit so we can see everything. That is pin light. Wow, you can really hear the birds in the background. I'm sorry, guys. They're just saying hi. Okay, so yeah, we are going to go with color. And we're toning it down to about 70 to 80%. Okay, and now we go in and we actually paint. So in some places, the color layer got a bit out of hand, a bit out of the lines. So I'm just going to fix that up. What I'm doing is I'm just color picking the color it's supposed to be and then painting over top. Okay. And now we're actually going to paint. So looking at this, I noticed there's something a little wonky. She's missing a bit of her skull. So we're going to fix that with that. Okay. And again, color layer got a bit out of control here. So the rendering I'm pretty happy with. I don't want to change too much of the rendering. We're just adding color. But that does require some painting over. And when I'm doing something, I actually tend to paint over repeatedly. Like I do multiple passes. Like I think this was the, fourth pass? Okay, well, I'm done talking now, so let me put on some music for you. And that is it. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see me keep making videos like this, then please leave a like and also smash that subscribe button. You can also find me on Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter, Facebook, all of the socials. I'm actually posting this onto my socials. So until next time, guys, have fun.